We understand our responsibility to our customers, employees, local communities, and the environment. Therefore, we partner with suppliers who adhere to strict standards concerning human rights, labor, and environmental protection. Whenever possible, we give priority to working with local suppliers. This not only allows us to better adapt to their standards, but also significantly reduce the CO2 emission associated with transportation. We actively encourage our supply chain partners to reduce their emissions and improve resource efficiency. To reinforce this commitment, Iskraemeco has adopted 4 key corporate initiatives: Supplier Code of Conduct, ESG Questionnaire for Suppliers, Sustainable Procurement Policy, Supplier ESG Assessment. In addition to these initiatives, we are actively pursuing 2 key trends: utilizing advanced tools and technologies to enhance sustainability across our operations, and mitigating risk through diversification and flexibility, with which we build resilient supply chains to withstand disruptions. We conduct rigorous supply chain audits focusing on ESG factors in addition to regular quality assessments.
Digitalization improvement efforts have enabled our partners, manufacturers and distributors to directly access Iskraemeco product lifecycle management portal. With direct access to Iskraemeco requirements and core values, we enable our partners to increase ESG awareness, to participate directly in data collection, and support us on our mission to provide fully transparent supply chain. By embracing these practices, Iskraemeco improves its competitiveness and delivers value to our investor and stakeholder.